The wait is finally over. The 2026 SEAT Arona has arrived, and it's redefining what a compact SUV should be. With bold design, advanced technology, and a driving experience that blends efficiency with fun, the new Arona is ready to dominate city streets and open highways alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Arona offers a choice of highly efficient engines, including a turbocharged petrol variant and an advanced mild hybrid option. Drivers can expect smooth acceleration, sharp handling, and excellent fuel economy, perfect for both urban commutes and weekend adventures. SEAT has also enhanced the suspension and steering system to provide even more agility, making the Arona one of the most dynamic crossovers in its class. And for those craving extra excitement, a sport trim with higher performance tuning will also be available. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels modern, premium, and incredibly functional. The 2026 Arona features a redesigned digital cockpit with a larger high-resolution infotainment screen, seamless smartphone connectivity, and the latest in driver assist technologies. The interior layout is spacious, offering more legroom and cargo flexibility compared to previous models. Quality materials, customizable ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating make every drive comfortable. Whether you're navigating city traffic or heading out on a long road trip. The 2026 SEAT Arona is set to launch in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026 across Europe and selected global markets. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, starting around €22,000, making it one of the most affordable yet stylish compact SUVs in its segment. The 2026 SEAT Arona isn't just a car, it's a statement. Bold, practical, efficient, and fun to drive, this compact SUV is set to win the hearts of drivers worldwide. So what do you think? Would you pick the new Arona as your next ride?